As a reminder, viewer discretion is advised.
Hey folks, Cambu C, otherwise known as Prosper, was diagnosed with a rare cancer called Burkitt lymphoma. The giant mass robbed him of his sight, left him struggling to breathe, and drove his own mother to disown him, leaving just his father to care for him. Doctors initially thought it was a non-cancerous tumor, but tests when he finally reached the hospital this year revealed it was a rare form of the disease. Prosper said, "People said I was some kind of monster, saying that maybe it was something I had eaten which made me like this, but my cheeks just kept getting bigger and bigger." Desperate for help, Prosper's father contacted Sister Claudine from the Lillian Foundation, a charity that specializes in treating disabled children from developing countries. The charity flew him to Naples Pascal Hospital in Italy to find the diagnosis he had been waiting 6 years for. Prosper underwent a combination of chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and stem cell replacement to reduce the tumor. Once completed, he will have cosmetic surgery to remove the dead tissue in his face. He said, "At the start, my face was so big I couldn't do anything, but now I thank God. I have nearly finished my chemotherapy and everything is deflated. My face is much better."
Are you looking for better sleep? Then check out Rest More. It is an all-natural sleep aid available at www.buyrestmore.com.